In this video, we'll show you how to install Alpena's floral seat cover. Protective eyewear must be used when installing this product. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Before we begin, install the provided two-way hooks onto the bottom of the elastic straps. Remove your vehicle's headrest by the method demonstrated in your owner's manual. Slide your floral seat cover over the backrest of your seat from top to bottom. Make sure that the airbag label on your new seat cover is positioned over the seat area that contains the airbag. The airbag label designates proper fitment of the cover. The wedge provided with the seat cover can be used to tuck into the crevices between your car's backrest and seat. Next, pull the bottom of the seat cover over the seat from front to back, smoothing the seat cover to fit. The bottom half wedge anchors will be on the outside, while the top half wedge anchor will slide inside the bottom wedge anchors. Begin mounting the S-hooks into the elastic loops through the end with the smaller opening. Tuck the elastic loops connecting to the seat components underneath the seat. Now, take your headrest cover and slide it over the headrest. Replace the headrest on your seat. Your Alpena floral seat cover is now ready for use.